Welcome to this introductory video on using Lightning Bolt Fix v3. In this video, we're going to help you understand how to use this extension and make it a crucial part of your Bolt.new workflow. After you install the Lightning Bolt Fix extension, you will see the extension splash screen for about 2 seconds. Then you will be automatically navigated to the main Fix Code screen. Here it is. Let's take a quick look around. The main Fix Code screen is where you will spend most of your time. It contains the most important functional elements of the application. For example, here's the error message panel, where you will enter initial messages from Bolt. I'll demonstrate for you a little later. Just under the error message panel is the plan panel. This is where you will paste the plan that Bolt gives you to make adjustments to your code. And just below that, you'll see the Paste Full Code File Here panel. This is where you paste the code file that needs work. Now let's look at the Settings tab. In the Settings screen, you'll see all the important information about your account status. For example, whether you are on the free or paid plan. After you use your 10 free fixes, you're going to want to upgrade to the paid plan. Just click the Upgrade to Premium button, and you'll be navigated to a Stripe payment processing page. It just takes a minute. And once you've made your payment, you'll have unlimited Lightning Bolt Fix actions for as long as you stay subscribed. If you ever need to sign out, just click the Sign Out link right here. You'll have to sign back in with your email and password when you want to use the extension again. Now, this is one of the most important updates we've made to the extension. You no longer have to supply your own API key. We have a built-in LLM that takes care of everything for you, so you can use the extension immediately. No more having to go searching for an API key, unless you want to. The built-in API key is selected for you by default. You do not need to do anything. But if you really want to supply your own API key, just click on this blue Add New Configuration button. It will open a new panel. In this configuration panel, you'll just have to select your LLM provider, the LLM model name, and the API key. Click the blue Save Configuration button, and you'll be good to go with your own setup. There are 2 other tabs that we should take a quick look at. The first is the Analytics screen. This screen keeps track of the number of fixes you perform with Lightning Bolt Fix and gives you an approximation for how much money you are saving over time. The last tab you should know about contains the Feedback screen. If you ever need help with something, or if you have a suggestion for an improvement or feature, just click on the Open Contact Form button. You'll be able to send me an email message. I read and respond to every message, so let me know how the extension is working for you and how I can make it even better. Now, let's jump into how to use Lightning Bolt Fix. Once you get the hang of the sequence of actions, you'll find yourself using the extension as easily and naturally as using Bolt itself. That's why this extension is becoming a very important part of many Bolt developers' workflows. Okay, let's look at how we can use Bolt's built-in Discuss feature to help us solve problems and save tokens. No doubt you recognize this chat window, but for our purposes, the most important thing to realize is that it contains a critical feature. I'm talking about the Discuss feature. It's triggered by clicking on the icon here. Clicking this icon triggers Bolt to turn on the Discuss feature. When you use this Discuss feature, you're instructing Bolt to explain something or to plan for something, rather than to engage in some action that causes Bolt to make modifications to your codebase. This is really important because while Bolt may charge some tokens for using the Discuss feature, it is a very small amount compared to having Bolt actually make code updates or modifications. We use this to our advantage. Let me show you how. Say we want to make a UI modification to this red button. The first thing we need to do is click on Bolt's Element Grabber. It's the little arrow in the top right of the window. Clicking on this will enable us to select the red button. You'll know the element has been selected when it becomes highlighted, and the chat window indicates that, in this case, a div has been selected for inspection. Now, it's really important to make sure you've clicked on the Discuss icon to activate it. It'll turn blue and display Discuss if you've done so. Now, type in a prompt that tells Bolt what you want to accomplish. In this case, it's please update this button red color to green and make the corner square. When you're satisfied with your prompt, click on the blue Start Action button. Then just let Bolt get to work on a plan for you. And there it is. It only took Bolt a couple of seconds to come up with a plan. Now we can use this plan to make the modification to the button without spending any tokens. Let me show you how. Now that Bolt has built the plan for us, we can use the extension to do the rest. Go to the extension and click on the blue Select Error Message button. This will engage the extension's element grabber. You'll know it's engaged because when you move your mouse back across the page, you'll see elements highlighted in soft red color with a dashed blue outline. Here's what I mean. Now click on this message and you'll notice that the error message window in the extension automatically populates with the message. Now click the blue Select the Plan text button. Move your mouse over to the plan and allow the grabber tool to highlight the entire plan. Don't worry if there are multiple parts or steps in the plan. The grabber tool will copy them all when you click your mouse. Again, you'll notice that the plan text window in the extension has been populated by the information you just grabbed. Now, we need to let the extension know what code file to work on. Most of the time, Bolt tells us by indicating which file to click on. In this case, it's the app.tsx file. When you click on the link, the code file will open in the code window. If for some reason Bolt doesn't provide this information as a link, you can find it in the plan. You'll just have to click on the code link next to the preview link and then click on the correct file in the directory. Don't worry, it's not difficult. So here you see that clicking the open app.tsx link has called up the exact code file that needs to be worked on. Just to confirm it's the right file, you can see that app.tsx is colored blue in the directory to the left of the code. So we can't just click on the code file like we did with the messages. We need to click into the code file. You can click anywhere, and then select all. On a Mac, use Command plus A to select the entire file. Then type Command plus C to copy the entire code file. Move your mouse to the Paste Full Code File window in the extension, and paste the file by typing Command plus V. On Windows, use Control plus A to select the entire file. Then type Control C to copy the entire code file. Move your mouse to the Paste Full Code File window in the extension, and paste the file by typing Control V. You'll notice the code file populates the extension window. Now it's time to use Lightning Bolt Fix to get the work done. Just click on the blue Fix Code button and let the extension do its thing. It won't take any longer than Bolt takes for the same processing. In just a few seconds, Lightning Bolt Fix will have completed its work. You'll know your updated code is ready when you see the green Copy Fixed Code button. Just so you know, if you want to see an explanation of the work the extension has done for you, you can open the explanation dropdown. And if you want to see the fully updated code, just scroll down in the extension window. But for now, just click on the green Copy Fixed Code button and click back into the code file. Again, you're going to select all and then paste the updated code into the file. As soon as you've added the updated file, you'll notice that a Save button has appeared. Click this button now. After clicking the Save button, mouse over the Preview button and click on it. You will see the code change to your application page. Occasionally, you will have to refresh the entire page for the preview to update. After you click the Preview button, you will see that the UI update you wanted to happen has taken place. And there you have it. Lightning Bolt Fix has updated the button to the color green and has squared the corners, exactly as we asked it to. And you want to know the best part? Didn't cost us a single token. If we had had Bolt perform this simple UI modification, it would have cost us between 50,000 to 100,000 tokens. Just think about how often you make adjustments to your UI. Every time you do, it costs you tokens, lots of them. And that token cost adds up fast. Now that you've finished this fix, just click on the green Fix New Error button, and Lightning Bolt Fix will refresh itself and be ready to assist you in your next task. It's time for us to wind up this introduction. Admittedly, what I just demonstrated was a simple UI fix, but Lightning Bolt Fix can do so much more for you, from UI updates to existing code modifications to full error corrections. But I'm not going to lie, there is a bit of a learning curve. But if you are willing to spend a bit of time with the extension, test it out in lots of different ways, I know you're going to come to believe you can't develop with Bolt effectively and efficiently without it. So take the time to get to know Lightning Bolt Fix. I promise that it will improve your workflow, save you tokens, and of course that means it will save you money too. I wish you good luck with your Bolt development journey. I hope that you build great things, and I hope that Lightning Bolt Fix becomes your go-to development assistant as you change the world with your applications.